That grass is taking a beating. That part over there by the bonfire still not touched. Ah, yeah, 4-2-1. People are even backing away from the grass now.
Huh?
People are backing away from the grass, my folks.